Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious treat, a vegan one. Actually, this butter, usually I make this kind of butter to make pan-fried pancake, but today I will show you how to deep fry of them. So let's start cooking. The sound of crunchiness really delicious. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.